What's up, boys? So if you remember from my last video, I put in a questionable CV shaft when I did my front differential. Now the problem with that was it was missing the C-clip on the end of the spline for the CV shaft. This led to, yes, who would have guessed, my truck leaking differential fluid in my CV not being held in place. So here I am. I have to put a new CV in. Surprise, surprise. So we're finally taking care of that today on this video of shenanigans. And I figured this would be a good video to show my viewers, anyone else, how to replace a CV axle on a third gen Tacoma, because this is going to be like my 400th time doing this. So now, I feel like I'm a professional at this point, you know? So I'm going to show you, this is literally all the tools you need right here, you know? Breaker bar, 35 mil. Some you will find are 36, depending on where you got your CV axle from. Ironically, on my truck, now the driver's side is a 35 mil axle nut, and then the passenger side's a 36. So I want to kill myself, but whatever. 19 mil takes my lug nuts off, and it takes off those two bolts on the bottom of your spindle so you can pop the knuckle off. And then the trusty 10 mil just in case you want to take off the ABS sensor there or anything else like that. So yeah, that's really it. So now we're literally just we're gonna jack the truck up, we're gonna pop that wheel off, we're gonna bust off the axle nut, take those two bolts off of the bottom, and then we are going to have the CV out, and then it'll just be time for us to go return this one because it's under warranty and go get a new one and put it in. Yeah, let's go. Well, boys, there's the wheel off. Easy money, light work. Now, unfortunately for me, I have to take the spacer off so I can get at it, but there's my axle nut there. So yeah, now you're going to pop the axle nut, then you're going to pop off this bolt on this side, and then the other side there's the same one. Pop those two off next. Yo. Alright, boys, so as you can see, there's all the good stuff. I've kind of got this popped out. As you can see, I've got this whole thing. Oof. I popped my drain plug at the bottom there just to get the fluid out. I thought I could tilt the whole truck up enough with this that it didn't leak pulling the CV, but it did. So you gotta put that mean big old star bit on there, but it's kind of popping out the diff there, and I've kind of got it popped up the hub here, as you can see, a little bit of both. But really right now, all I'm gonna do is pound it out of the hub, pull the hub off of it, and then pull it out that way. So yeah, we're gonna do that, go get this new one and get it back in. But that'll be it for removing the CV. Ow. That hurts so bad. My back just like, sorry. Oh god. But yeah, really, you just pound this thing out like that. It's that easy. Alright, boys, so I don't really show you guys much on the CV swap pole thing because those C-clips can be a bit of a pain in the ass, and they gave me some trouble again, but I got it in, so don't trip. This is gonna end the video. Check out the next one. Like, subscribe, comment. You already know, bro. We'll see you.